Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use LendingClub for peer-to-peer lending, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using LendingClub for peer-to-peer lending, go to the LendingClub website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. Fill in your personal information including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password to secure your account. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Log into your new LendingClub account using your credentials. Next, complete your profile by providing details about your income and employment. You will also need to verify your identity by uploading necessary documents. Once your profile is complete, navigate to the Invest section of the website. LendingClub offers different investment options, so choose the one that suits your goals. You can opt for individual loans, where you select specific loans to fund. Alternatively, consider automated investing, where LendingClub selects loans for you based on your preferences. If you choose individual loans, browse through the available listings. Each listing will provide details like the borrower's credit score, purpose of the loan, and interest rate. Evaluate the risk and potential returns before making any decisions. Once you find a loan you're interested in, enter the amount you wish to invest. Review the loan details and submit your investment. If you opt for automated investing, set your investment criteria. Specify the amount you want to invest and any risk preferences. LendingClub will then allocate your funds accordingly. After your investment is finalized, monitor your account through the dashboard. You will receive monthly payments from borrowers, which include both principal and interest. Keep an eye on your portfolio to track your earnings and adjust your investments as needed. Be aware of any risks involved in peer-to-peer lending, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Continuously educate yourself on market trends and borrower creditworthiness to enhance your investment. Stay engaged with LendingClub updates for any changes in policies or features. By following these steps, you can effectively use LendingClub for peer-to-peer lending. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.